Hey guys, it's Sophie, and today we're going to be filming our intro in the car just because I am in a rush this week and I just want to make sure we get this video up for you all. So this week we're going to be doing a what I wear in a week for work. There's literally people walking all around me. But what I wear in a week for work. So I work in a very IT company, which means I don't have to be business professional all the time. I work behind the screen. So that means I can just wear something cute, but it has to be appropriate for work. You don't want to show up and work with ripped jeans and all that, but I do kind of like to, live on the border, I feel like, of what is business for work. I don't know, you'll see what I'm wearing. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite outfit, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And also, I just kind of want to give a warning. I sound really unhappy and I'm tired in these videos, and that's just because it was so early in the morning. Some days I have to get to work super early, and some days, I get an extra hour of sleep. But I hope you guys like this video. Again, hit that subscribe button if you like me and my content. But yeah, that's basically about it. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Okay, let's go.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. It is cold, it is raining, and we are just going to start off our outfit of the day. Okay, so it is Monday, like I said, so I just want to be comfortable and warm, and honestly, this is just a usual outfit for me. My office, luckily, is pretty casual. I can get away with wearing things like this. Honestly, I could probably go a little bit more professional, but working in IT, I can get away with it. Definitely not an issue. But for shoes, I started out with wearing these black booties. I wear these literally every single day, so do not be alarmed if you see me wearing these again. But they're from Target, and I got them at the beginning of the year, and I've given them some love for sure. When it comes to jeans, you can tell they're already kind of a little stretched out, but they have had some love as well. They are from American Eagle, and they're a little bit of a high-rise. I really like them. I don't really know what to say. They used to be a lot darker than they are now, but need new jeans. But obsessed with these, so forever in my heart. Okay, for the sweater, you guys have seen this, okay? It is from Forever 21, and it is basically a little turtleneck sweater. Sorry, this is all in the way. It's like a turtleneck sweater, and I thought it'd be something that would keep me nice and warm. And for Valentine's Day, well, it's this week, so to be in the theme, I decided to wear this pink overcoat. If you guys are an OG subscriber, you have seen this in my wish haul, and I definitely gave it bad reviews and called it a bed sheet, but here I am wearing it because every time I do wear it, people absolutely love it. So this is what it looks like. It's just a light pink little jacket, and I'd probably leave the jacket on all day just because it is so light, like a bed sheet. But yeah, this is the total look when it comes to clothing, and I'm gonna try to set you guys down to show you the makeup and the hair, so give me a second.
Man, totally can be late for work. Okay, so for makeup, I kind of did, hopefully it's picking up, but it's a pinky, purpley type of look. And then for hair, it's very simple. I just curled it, but I put this little braid in, and hopefully it doesn't look a little ratchet. I thought it'd be something different and something that I usually don't do. So I just kind of curled it, and honestly, it's already fallen with it being rainy today, absolutely gross. I figured there's no point in putting too much effort into my hair, so this is what we're doing today. And for jewelry, all I have are these golden hoops. I do wear the silver ring every single day. I always mix my metals just because no one has time. I don't have time to pay attention to all that too much. And so we just have gold hoops today, and yeah, this is about it. Very simple makeup, and okay, yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Good morning, everyone. I feel like it is extra dark today, but it is Tuesday. It's super early in the morning. I think it's maybe 6:30. I usually have to go into work a little bit earlier on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but this is today's outfit. Honestly, very simple. I feel like this week's outfits so far have been pretty simple, just something that is easy to access in my closet and hasn't taken that much time to pick out. But you know what? It's a cold week, and I'm trying here. Okay, so for boots, we are doing the same boots from yesterday. They are from Target. We have these black pants. They're basic, they're very simple. They're very soft, but they are work appropriate because they're completely opaque. There are no holes. Honestly, I think it's H&M, somewhere just very simple. And then for this top, I just have this sweater basically, and this sweater I've had forever. It's from Charlotte Russe, and I think we're going for a Valentine's Day theme this week because I definitely am reaching for more pinky items, and I just think it's because Valentine's Day and love is in the air, and I love dressing the part because it's just fun. And then I'll show it to you better when I am doing my face makeup, showing that all to you. The only jewelry I have is just this long choker thing. Honestly, I have not worn this forever, but I think I was trying to figure out a way to spice up this outfit, and I remembered I had this in the closet, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wear it. So we have this necklace, and it's kind of weird because I usually don't like to match brown and black together. I'm kind of weird about that, but there's something about it. I kind of like it, so hopefully you do too. For earrings, we got little tiny hoops, but I will show that to you guys in a second. But yeah, this is about it. Hair's curled. There's literally nothing special about it. It's very cold and rainy today, so just trying to do a very simple, basic outfit that I can wear to the office. Okay, so this is the makeup for the day. I'm doing a purpley type of color, purplish, pinkish on the eyes, and this, the colors I use are colors I usually don't reach for, so it's kind of a newer look, but I thought it'd be fun, and again, I kind of wanted to match the shirt a little bit. And then for lips, I actually used 3 different lip colors, so I used a lip crayon, and then I used a very, very purple lip stain, and then on top of it I used more of a pinky lip stain. I just kind of mixed it all together, and it has this color, and I kind of like it. Foundation, everything, all of that is the same. So this is the look. I did kind of go for more of a, I don't even know if it's going to pick it up, a purpley highlight today. I don't really know. We're just going for the pinky purple thing this week. And then again, like I told you, got this long choker that you just kind of wrap around your neck. And then I have little tiny hoops. But yeah, that's basically about it. Nothing too crazy today. We just wanted to make sure we got to work. I have to be in early today, so just kind of threw something easy on that I know is comfortable and cute. Okay, yep. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. We are halfway through the week, which is amazing because we're closer to the weekend, and we all love the weekend. But this is today's outfit. Let me zoom out. Okay, it is more on the Valentine's Day theme. We're just kind of go with this just because it was very unintentional, but I just kind of am gravitating towards more pink things and red things. So this is today's outfit. Okay, so we will start with the shoes because what's new? We are right back with these black booties. I swear I'm probably going to wear these every single day because when it's cold and rainy, this is just perfect. And honestly, they're my favorite. So wearing these. When it comes to jeans, there's just these light wash ones. Honestly, I don't know where I got them. If I had to guess, it'd probably be American Eagle, and they're probably really, really old. These are kind of a pair of jeans that I found in my closet recently and I've started wearing again. And so just some light pair of jeans. And then for a shirt, I'm wearing this red one. I got this one in my Forever 21 haul that you saw a couple weeks ago. I feel it's a little edgy, which is kind of fun, so that's why I'm kind of wearing it with light wash. Jeans, it's probably not even that edgy. Let me calm down. So yeah, this is what it looks like when it just comes down to the whole outfit. I think it's very simple. I think it's cute, and I think I'm gonna stay warm. So now let's look at the hair and the makeup. Okay, so for today's hair, I decided to put it up in this little bun thing. Honestly, I might regret it later if it gives me a headache, so hopefully it doesn't. Just decided to do a little bun thing, and I kind of curled it like I usually do. For earrings, I always wear these earrings. I actually think I got them from somewhere online. It was super cheap, but they're just these tortoise shell earrings that are super in right now. And then for makeup, hopefully the lighting is picking it up okay, but it's an orange base with some red and some pinky reds in there. And then for lips, I just did a reddish, not even reddish, a pink and a red. I mixed it together and then I put a gloss on top. So it looks like this. The highlight is very champagne-y. Nothing crazy. Honestly, I keep looking at the viewfinder because I don't know what I look like, honestly, because the lighting looks kind of crazy. But yeah, this is the outfit of today and the makeup and the hair. So let's go ahead and get to tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. It's Valentine's Day. It's Thursday. I am so excited. I love Valentine's Day. Literally, it's one of my favorites just because I love to see how appreciated everyone gets and how happy people are and they feel loved. And I don't know, I love it when people feel appreciated and are genuinely happy. So today's going to be a great day. So that is why I decided to dress up a little bit. And honestly, I never wear dresses to work. Honestly, I don't know if this is appropriate. And honestly, we're going to see how it goes today, but this is what I'm wearing. Okay, so we're going to start out with the boots. So I'm finally wearing different pairs of shoes, but if I'm being honest, these are not, let me show you in the mirror, not my first choice. But what happened was last year, I had a bunch of brown boots that look a little raggedy, kind of like these, but they were taller, knee-high, or whatever. And I was like, let me get rid of your brown boots because next year you can have a job and you can buy some new ones, and your girl never got around to buying new ones. So we have these brown combat boots, and we're just going to go with it. And then I wore some maroon, reddish, pinkish socks, so that way they look a little bit taller and keep me a little bit warmer. And this is the dress. It's very floral and very boho pirate-esque. And I really, really like it. I've worn this so many times throughout the years, and I'm pretty sure it's from Altered States. And then I'm wearing this cardigan. You guys know this cardigan because it was also my Forever 21 haul. And I thought it'd be great because it would dress down the dress, because this is what the dress looks like. It's a long sleeve, so I don't know. I was just like, maybe I can wear a cardigan over it and it'll draw less attention to me. I just want to feel cute, but also like not have people look at me and be like, what is this girl wearing to work? So yeah, if you can't tell, I'm a little nervous to be wearing this, but I still think it's cute, which is why, hello, I'm wearing it. Yeah, that's basically it. It's a very like cutesy outfit on Valentine's Day. I just like the day and I just like dressing up for it. So this is what we're wearing today.
Okay, so for today's hair and makeup and jewelry, I want to do something very simple and easy. And so for the hair, honestly, it's just like kind of curled. I do this every single morning. I just do this, so it's nothing really crazy with my hair. For my jewelry, I'm just wearing little hoops. Honestly, I kind of wish I had studs or something, but I don't really have time to look for them. So we're just gonna go with the hoops and call it a day. And then for the face makeup, I did something kind of very neutral today, very simple. I did a like slight shimmer goldish color on the lid, and then on the crease, I went in with a dusty rose type of color, just like right there on the lid, just a little bit. And then the highlight is more of a champagne color. I did a pink lip, just very light, and added some gloss on top of it. And I mean, like, this is what it looks like. We're trying to do something real simple but real cute, and you know, this is what we're doing. But this is today's outfit, and happy Valentine's Day.
Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. It is the last day of the whole outfit of the work week challenge. And so in the little corner over here, we got my roommate, Kristen. We were having trouble sleeping, so she just came in here and watched me get ready, basically. Like, I did my makeup and hair in front of her. And what time is it right now?
7:16.
It's 7:16 on a Friday. We both need to get our lives together, obviously. But we'll talk about that later. We're just gonna focus on the outfit right now. So let's start with the shoes. Wow, look at me not wearing my black boots. I am actually wearing these like Steve Madden slide type of things. I found these at TJ Maxx on sale, and I've been wanting these for a while. So these are just really comfortable to wear to work and make outfits more casual. When it comes to leggings, I have just a pair of leggings, and it has like this black pleather stripe, which I think is a really cute detail. The fun fact is though, I got these from Payless. Like, literally got them from Payless. They don't fit me, but I love them. And so I wear a scrunchie in the back, or like a hairband. I literally asked Kristen to bring me one this morning because they make my pants tighter and that way they fit. But yeah, Payless and like a Shook, but most comfortable things ever. And then we got the sweater. We're really, you know, using that Forever 21 clothing that I posted in that haul a couple weeks ago, but this sweater is from there. I got it half off. And that's basically it when it comes to the outfit. It's a Friday, it's comfortable, and it keeps me warm in this weird weather that I have in my state. So, yep. Okay, well, there's Kristen. Now let's do our hair and makeup overview. So give me a sec.
Okay guys, so let's do the hair, makeup, jewelry piece. So I'm wearing this watch, and it's from MVMT or Movement. It's very like Instagram famous type. Oh, I got a text message. Anyway, it's very like Instagram famous type of watch, and I think it's really cute, and I got it as a graduation present, so thank you very much. And then for earrings, I just have these like loose dangly ones. I got them from Forever 21, and so they're really fun and playful. And then for hair, we just have it up in a ponytail. I usually hate putting my hair up in a ponytail, but it's like a new thing I've been trying the last like month or two. And so it is in a ponytail with a little bit of bangs. And then for makeup, very similar to what we've been doing this whole week. But for eyeshadow, I did a like purple base and then more of like an orangey on the crease. Kind of like a sunset eyes, you know. And then for lips, I honestly think I'm just wearing chapstick now that I think about it. So very simple on the makeup. The highlight is more of a champagne base instead of purple today. But yeah, this is it. This is the outfit, and we have successfully completed the outfit of work week.